When we bought the house, we knew that the living space was actually quite small, but the backyard was quite large and there was nothing out the back. So we knew straight away that we wanted to build a big structure out here. When the other companies came out to quote us, initially they did quote us up to $44,000 for our patio. We gave Drew a call at Smartkits and we just went through our rough plans. He was able to provide us a quote then and there and have a lot of detail sent through to us without us having to meet him first. Basically, the quote that we received came in around $20,000 cheaper than what we had received from the other company. We almost spat out our coffee in disbelief. To be able to support Australian business and get a great price for ourselves was the icing on the cake. Colorbond steel is very important to us. You know, it's something that a lot of homes around Australia have. Our fence is made out of Colorbond and it's a great product to have around our home. With the building process, that was something that I wasn't actually familiar with. So for the team at Smartkits to be able to take that off of our hands, get it all through, approved, out of the way, was really simple. When we had the property valued after we had the patio installed, we did see an increase in value in about $55,000, which we were pleasantly surprised with, considering that we had only spent around $24,000 on the patio. If we had have gone with the other company, we'd still be paying it off, and we would not have added the value that we have with Smartkits. Smartkits has great before service, during service, and after service. They really take care of their customers. We would absolutely use Smartkits Australia if we wanted to do another project. We have effectively doubled the size of our living area and we've added $55,000 in value. We actually don't know what we would have done without this patio.